Hello everybody, and guess what? This is my 300th video, and yet again I'm doing a video special for you, and yet again it's gonna be about glitches. And before I start, I again want to thank everybody who added me as friend, subscribed to me, everything, because I really appreciate it and I'm really happy when people do it. So thanks a lot, and here I go at the glitches. So the first one is found by Malnofski, I think. It's basically how to turn this planet blue. So here we go. What you're gonna do is step on the switch. I failed, sorry. You're gonna double jump and press the swing shot. Come on. Okay, so come on, step on it, double jump, and swing shot. And now the whole planet is blue. It's like so blue. Everything in here is blue. Yay. I'm blue. Okay. I'm a G-da-ba-die. I'm a G-da-ba-die. I'm a G-da-ba-die. I'm a G-da-ba-die. Okay, sorry. I had to do it. So, moving on to the next glitch, you're gonna need decoys. And this glitch is found by Dopper2/Hybrid2555. I have no clue who found it first, but I think it was Hybrid. But it's basically how to get to the racetrack in the PAL version of the game, because, you know, PAL version, turn the Hall guys, and nothing is going to appear. No, wait. Yeah, but nothing actually happens. So they found how to get there even without it. So you're going to decoy this wall. Come on. And yeah, you probably didn't see anything, but you're going to get onto this building, and there's the racetrack, so simply glide to it. And you're here. And guess what? The racetrack is blue also. Also, if you enter the race and then do the glitch, these hoverboards are going to appear on the ground. Very weird. I think the race will also start automatically while you reach this place. And there are these invisible objects here, which I have no clue what they mean. So that's basically it from this glitch. Next one. Okay, next glitch is found by BeautifulTechno, and it is on how to turn the Blackwater City green this time. Wow, this is a very colorful planet, don't you think? So what you're supposed to do is go over here and just decoy through this wall. It's very easy, to be honest. Yeah. And now the Blackwater City is green, and you do not have to jump on that platform, he said. So yeah, it's green. It's just like amoebas have attacked the planet. Well, they already have. So it actually looks very cool, and it's a very nice find. I agree. Yeah. Green City. It actually really fits for the amoeboys because they're really... whatever. I'm talking nonsense. So, yeah. Awesome glitch. Why am I still playing? Let's just go to another glitch. Next glitch is by BeautifulTechno again. And before I start, this glitch is bloody hard. This is like extremely hard glitch that I am prone with. It's basically how to get to that bridge. Yeah, it's very awesome, but it's bloody hard. And what you're supposed to do for first, you're going to activate the walk through walls glitch, which is the hardest thing to do ever. So, and I fail like a million times, so I'm just gonna skip until I will get it done. Alright, I actually did it in my second try. So I'm walking through the walls and I'm going to do this glitch. So go to the right side and double jump and press R2. Get up here, and this is the weird part also. So get under these things and do the same thing. Now double jump and hyper strike. It's called hyper strike climbing, and just climb this thing up. It's very kind of challenging because the camera just changes and it's stupid, but whatever. So yeah. Okay, so yeah. It's very kind of challenging even for me. You know, I haven't played this game a long time ago, so let's just do it. This is gonna take a while. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so this is what you are supposed to do. Hyper strike, double jump and hyper strike, and just keep climbing. I'm going slow. No! Well, you were supposed to stand on that, but I failed again. Let's try again. Okay. Oh man. I don't want to skip because I want to show people how to do it actually. I'm kind of scared if I will die because I don't want to die. I hope you're not too bored of me watching failing. Well, whatever. Hey. Oh, you can't do it just this way. Uh-huh. I said this glitch is bloody hard, and it sure is. It's from his best video. Okay, I finally did it, and I'm standing on this piece of thing. Now, that bridge is solid, most of, and you can just walk on it, and it's very cool. Like, wow, secret bridge. And the parts like this one, which are darker than the other ones, are not solid. So just go past them. And I don't think it's possible to go further than this. This is actually as far as you can go, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, basically. Wow. Okay, moving on to the last glitch. Alright, so this glitch is by Dopper2. It definitely is. And it's basically an old glitch to go outside the first Tinger, but he actually found a way to get into a tunnel that you usually swim in, but now you won't. So simply decoy as usual. It's gonna take me a little while because I haven't played this game a long time yet again. Come on, one last decoy. Nope. Damn it. Evil dark creatures. Oh, do you also remember the guy that was called Evil Dark Creature and he was on YouTube? That was his logo, just that evil decoy, and he was named Evil Dark Creature. I kind of remember him. Whatever. Let's do this anyway. This planet, by the way, has cool music. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I made it. So, what you are supposed to do is go to the right and wait. Like follow the tunnel on the map somehow. No, go in here for sure and just glide inside here. And you're in the tunnel and no swimming in it. Yay. If you, these things are solid, by the way. If you go to the end, you'll just die by being electrocuted. So, yeah, I have nothing better to say. To activate these things, just double jump and just, well, and there you go. So people, this was everything for from the first part. I hope you liked this part because I enjoyed doing it. And take a look. No, wait. There's a little glitch, like, why isn't it working? Whatever. So yeah, that's it from the first part. Well, see ya in the second part, which is Ratchet and Clank 2. Bye bye.